Anin, my name is Anton, and I am going to teach you a simple Ojibwe introduction. To say my name is in Ojibwe, you can say Indigenous. We'll break that word down since it's got a few syllables, starting from the back. Try with me, cause, inikaz, ijinikaz, Indigenous. And for syntax or word order, English is the opposite of Ojibwe. And so instead of saying the Indigenous first, usually we'll say the name first. Anton Indigenous. I've got lots of Ojibwe language resources for free linked up on my website and lots of other material on social media. Keep in touch.